Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it looks like another beautiful one today. A couple of dry days in the wake of Tropical Storm and now Tropical Depression Gordon. But unfortunately, as that system continues to work its way inland, deeper tropical moisture out in the Gulf of Mexico will be moving back for tomorrow. So that means back to the splash and dash, scattered showers and storms in the forecast once again. So let's go to the graphic, show you what's going on as we take a look quickly at the upper level pattern. We have the upper level low associated with Gordon up here in Mississippi as well. Deeper tropical moisture from extreme eastern Louisiana into the Florida Panhandle and offshore in the Gulf of Mexico. And that's all going to be working its way northward over the next couple of days as Gordon slowly moves off to the west-northwest. I'll be dragging that tropical moisture northward. Now this afternoon, it's been a mostly sunny and dry day. Temperatures topping out in the lower 90s. And it's been nice to get a couple of nice sunny days after a dreary start to that big Labor Day holiday weekend. We did see those drier conditions moving in yesterday, and that's what's typical behind a tropical system. So here's the tropical enhanced satellite imagery, and we open it on up, and you can see much of the Gulf of Mexico and much of the Caribbean pretty quiet for the most part. Got an upper level low here we'll keep an eye on. That's going to be drifting westward, but we're not expecting this to develop, but always have to keep an eye on all features in September, and you can tell whether it's a busy tropical year or not. It's always busy somewhere in the tropical Atlantic when you're in September rather, and we do have Hurricane Florence. More on that in just a bit. Tropical wave over here on the edge of our imagery, just about coming off the African coast. A 20% chance of that developing over the next 5 days. And then this tropical disturbance right here, a little bit farther to the east and southwest of the Cape Verde Islands, that looks to develop, and that could be the next named system down the road. And if anything, maybe a tropical depression over the next couple of days at 90% on your development chances there. Then we have Hurricane Florence, which the East Coast is not out of the woods quite yet. Florence upgraded to a Category 4 storm this afternoon and looks to stay mostly close to a major hurricane over the next 5 days. After those 5 days, it's too early to tell, but this system could recurve out in the open Atlantic or get blocked by a ridge of high pressure and perhaps get very close to the mid-Atlantic or East Coast down the line. For us, though, it looks nice and quiet with generally fair skies overnight tonight. Notice we'll have that tropical moisture lurking offshore, so a few showers. You'll see those towering cumulus clouds when you wake up tomorrow morning looking toward the south. And then with daytime heating, they'll begin to build in across the coastal parishes from Cameron on over through St. Mary Parish and then working their way inland tomorrow afternoon. Don't see anything overly too heavy or severe, but any afternoon storms across Acadiana could put down some locally heavy downpours over a brief period of time. So lunchtime and drive time, keep that umbrella handy. Then things quiet down as we go into Thursday night, Friday morning, but Thursday into Friday afternoon, both the afternoons look like we'll see a pretty good chance of those showers and storms once again. So a quiet week, quiet night ahead rather, with temperatures dropping down into the mid-40s. Then tomorrow it starts off hot and humid with mostly sunny skies, but by the afternoon those scattered showers and thunderstorms will be kicking on in. We'll go with rain chance at about 50 to 60%. More of the same as we get into Friday. Going into the weekend, rain chances down just a little bit so we can get a little bit more outdoor activity in. And then as we go into much of next week, it looks like better than normal rain chances. And that's been pretty much the story. I was gone for almost nearly 3 months.
3 months, yeah.
Grew a beard, shaved the beard, grew it back once again. And then we had that tropical storm, so that it really didn't miss much weather-wise, other than thanking Daniel, Dave, and Eric for filling in the whole time I was gone. And I continue to mend. I'm not 100% yet, but good enough to be back at work and forecasting once again.
Good to have you here.
It's good to be back. Thanks.
All right, thanks, Rob.